Hi guys! For today's video ay uusapan natin itong si Job Street guys. So dito guys is marami po akong pinasukan na job sites kasi po mas maganda po yung marami. So as you can see guys, ayan puro po yung job. So try po natin itong si Job Street. So here guys, so 3 jobs for virtual assistants with no experience required in Central Visayas. Okay, based on save search virtual assistant, no experience required. Okay. Home care virtual assistant or office base po ito. Cebu City, 25,000 to 30,000 per month po ang sahod. So, virtual assistant office based pa rin, Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu, 20,000 to 25,000 per month. Virtual assistant, Cebu Central, Visayas. So, job, okay. Office-based virtual assistant, Cebu City, 25,000 to 32,000 per month. City Prime Solution Virtual Assistant Services. And then, there is a permanent work from home virtual assistant, digital marketing, urgent po, outsource doers in, so Cebu Central Visayas. So virtual assistant night shift, Cebu City pa rin, so Cebu base, 22,000 to 28,000 per month. So ayan po, madami pong hiring ang Cebu sa mga gusto mag-apply ng virtual assistant. So, punta na po sa Job Street Job Alert. So, pwede din kayong mag-email sa kanila. So, search nyo lang po yung jobstreet.com. Punta na po sa site nila. And then, marami pong job offered. So, hanap tayo. And Job Street pa rin. So, this is work from home. Sales representative, work from home. So, napakalaki ng sahod niya, guys. 54,000 to 81,000 per month. So, Mikael and Associates. So, home care virtual assistant office base here in Cebu City also, 25,000 to 35,000. So, ito yung nabanggit ko pala kanina. And so, okay, here. PHRN medical coder, work from home, salary up to 54K. Pasay City, Metro Manila. So, this is work from home, 50,000 to 54,000 per month. Ang laki. And marketing analyst, same SEM or SEM, work from home Tuesday to Saturday with paid search expertise, math incline, Mandaluyong City, Metro Manila. And then work from home social media specialist, urgent, Metro Manila pa rin. Accounting payable associate with taxation knowledge, so BGC Taguig, 27,000 to 40,000 per month. Executive admin assistant, home base, Metro Manila pa rin. And then work from home WordPress Elementor Builder, urgent, Metro Manila. Work from home ClickFunnels expert, Metro Manila. Work from home Go high level expert, urgent. Work from home junior web developer, Metro Manila. Customer representative CSR retail account, Quezon City, work from home. Healthcare virtual assistant, $80 to $1,000 per month USD. Work from home graphic designer, Makati City. Loan processor, 45 to 60,000 per month. So, napakarami po na job offer dito sa Job Street, bookkeeper, Australia work from home. So, Australia based po sila. So, work from home, Metro Manila, 50,000 to 60,000 per month. So, to connect. So, what are you waiting, guys? Punta na sa site ng Jobs Street and then maghanap na kayo ng trabaho. Napakarami pong opportunity na naghihintay para sa atin na wala pang trabaho as of now or naghahanap pa. So, hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe na rin sa aking channel. Thank you.